Hello students, in this video, let us discuss about the problems related to banking that has been appeared in last 3 years. Welcome to our channel E-kalike. The first problem is, Mr. Sonu has a RD account and deposited rupees 750 per month for 2 years. If he gets rupees 19,125 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. This question has appeared in 2020 and it was for 3 months. Let us write the data given. So installment per month is rupees 750 P. Number of months for 2 years, it is 24. Therefore, N is 24. Maturity value MV is rupees 19,125. The rate of interest is R%. So let's write the MV formula. So MV is equal to P into N plus I. Let us substitute the values whatever we have received now. So MV, it's 19,125, which is equal to P, we know it is 750, and N also we know it is 24 plus I. So on multiplying 750 into 24, I'll be getting 18,000. So if I multiply 750 into 24, I get 18,000. So plus I remains same as it is, and MV value is 19,125. So I'll bring this 18,000 towards this side. It becomes 19,125, which minus 18,000 will be equal to I. See, I have shifted 18,000 towards this side. It becomes minus. On subtracting this value, I'll be resulting with 1,125 rupees, which is equal to I. So now we know the I value. Let us substitute the I formula. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So already we have solved for I. So I got 1,125, which is equal to P value we know it is 750 and N value we know it is 24. So N plus 1 becomes 25 divided by 2 into 12. So I have taken R value as R itself. So R by 100. So let us do the substitution now. 2 1s are 2 12s are. 12 and 12 get cancelled. 25 1s are and 25 4s are is 100. So let me multiply 4 towards this side. So it becomes 1125 into 4. So 750. I'll bring that to denominator. So which will be equal to R. On the final substitution, I'll be resulting with 6%. Therefore, R value is 6%. The second problem is, Rekha opened a RD account for 20 months. If the rate of interest per annum is 9% and she receives rupees 441 as interest at the time of maturity, find the amount deposited each month. So this was the question which was appeared in 2019 and it was for 3 months. Let's write the data given in the question. So the number of months was 20. Rate of interest R is 9% and I is rupees 441, and let the installment per month I have taken as P. Let's write the I formula. So we know I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Let us substitute all the values. So interest we know it is 441, which is equal to P, I am taking it as P itself, and N it's 20 So 20 plus 1, I'll be getting 21 divided by 2 into 12 into 9 by 100. See, you can see 1 0 getting cancelled with the 1 0 of the 20. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now you can see 9. 3 3s are it's 9. And this is 3 4s are it is 12. Now let's write what's remaining in the problem now. 441 is equal to 21 into 3 into p. You can see 21 into 3 into p in the numerator. In the denominator, I have left out with 4 into 10. Let me cross multiply these terms. It becomes 441 into 4 into 10 divided by, you have got 21 into 3, which is equal to p. On the substitution, I'll be getting p value as 280 rupees. Therefore, the amount deposited each month was 280 rupees. So, writing the formula along with the correct substitution will be landing with 1 mark, and writing this part with the correct substitution will get 1 more mark, and writing the answer with the appropriate units will be awarded with 1 more marks. So therefore you get a 3 marks here. 1 marks for writing the formula with the correct substitution, next for the calculation part, and next for the answer with the appropriate unit, you will be landing with 3 marks. The third question is, Sonia had an RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest was 10% per annum, find the maturity value of this account. This question appeared in 2018 for 3 marks. Let's write the data given in the question. Installment per month, that is P, is rupees 600. So number of months for 2.5 years will be 30. The rate of interest given in the question is 10%. So we need to find the maturity value. Let's write the maturity value formula. So we know MV is equal to P into N plus I. Let's substitute all the values. P is 600. So N is 30 plus I. Let us calculate the I using the formula. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now let us substitute the values. So P, we know it is 600. N, we know it is 30. So 30 plus 1, N plus 1 will be 31 divided by 2 into 12 into R, we know it is 10% divided by 100. So 1 0 from here get cancelled with the 1 0. So 1 more 0 of 100 get cancelled with this 0. So 2 1s are, and I get 2, 15s are 30. Again you can see 15 and 12 get cancelled by 3 table. 3 4s are it's 12 and it is 3 5s are it's 15. Let us write whatever it is remain now. 60 into 5 into 31 divided by 4. So on substituting all the terms, on multiplying and dividing the terms, I'll be landing with rupees 2325. 2325 on multiplying, on dividing. Then let me substitute this I value in the main formula. So 600 into 30, I'll be getting 18,000 plus 2325 325 as the interest. Altogether, the maturity value will be 20,325 rupees. Therefore, the maturity value for this account will be 20,325 rupees. See here, on the correct formulas along with the correct substitution. See, this along with the substitution will be awarded with 1 marks, and finding the I value will be awarded with 1 more mark. Okay, and the final on substituting I with the P into N, and the final answer, if you write this, you will be awarded with 1 more mark. So altogether you have a 3 marks question. So 1 marks for the formula, both the formulas with the relevant substitution. The next one is for finding the interest amount, you get 1 more mark. And finally, on adding the I with the P into N, you will get a final answer, that is 20,325. So you get one more marks for this.